So there we go. This almost improbably shiny antler lockpick was made out of a dog shedding blade, which I didn't actually know existed until recently. It appears to be some low-grade stainless steel giant comb thing for getting rid of hairs on dogs. And I've taken this down to 15,000 grit, I think, and it almost looks like plastic. It feels like plastic. I wanted to have a taper in terms of the colour, so at the end it's all very natural, very gnarly. It got a bit of a shine on it, but then this is, like I said, super high degree polish on the antler wear. Obviously I've sanded it down to be a bit more comfortable because it's very round. So it just has this nice kind of dark to light, this sort of finish to almost natural. Yeah, I just like the contrast there. Oh, I've got all my mucky fingerprints on the lockpick. So I think what I need to do is see whether this low-grade stainless steel will stand up. I tried to put a sort of a big taper on it so that it would maybe compensate for its lack of quality, I guess, the steel. But yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. I mean, considering this was going to be a dog chew toy and a dog comb, a giant dog comb, I think that I've not done a bad job on this one, really. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. Okay, so first up, this lock. I love this one because it has lots of nice spools in, and I'm going to be very ginger and gentle. Can you see how it's all of a sudden gone into a bit of a false set? Just want to make sure that I'm really gentle with this. I don't want to bend this lockpick on its first go, just because you know, I put a bit of effort into it. I know it's a bit of a joke, but also it is nice and it works. Any deflection? No, I mean, I was gentle, but I mean, that's not bad, is it? Let's try another lock. So I'll try an even smaller keyway. I'll try this little ABUS and see what I can do. Going to be quite hard to navigate because this hook is it's a medium to short hook, but we'll see. We might be able to get it. Pin 1 now. Pin 2. There we go. Pin 1. All the way up, I think. Yep. Pin 3. Oh, and we're open. Going to finish on this master lock. I'm a bit worried about this one because it does need more tension. So I might put the pick under a bit more stress. We'll see. Oh, and we've got an open. Right, let's have a look at the pick steel there on straight edge. Yeah, that's just as it was before. So maybe that steel isn't too bad after all. I think, like I said, I've got that wide taper. Takes a lot of the kind of stress along the whole length of the shank. I kept the shank relatively short. It's quite thick anyway. It's not the best steel, but it does work. So hey, there you go. Maybe dog shedding comb, giant comb thing is the new wiper blades. No, it's not. It really isn't. But nevertheless, I really hope you enjoyed that video. It's just something silly, but something which did give a pretty nice end product at the end of it. Anyway, if you like this video, please leave a like. If you have any comments about this or you've done something similar, please leave a comment below. I'll read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I do all sorts of weird stuff like this, and you might want to see more of it. And of course, I'll see you all next time.